This is one of my favorite and most profitable trading strategies. And this is a strategy that I use all the time to get into trades when price starts to get a reversal, but we have not hit into a level. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest trading strategy videos here on YouTube. So yesterday I had a trading plan to basically take a long from around 26,100. This is the setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And then I was going to be looking for a short around this big zone up here. Now you can see there's a lot of levels right here. And there's probably 3 areas where I would be looking for a short trade. Now you can see that we did get the move to the upside on the juicy long, and we are currently coming into that zone right now where we were going to be looking for the short. Now you can see here I have indeed taken the short trade. I've also hit that TP1, but we never actually came to one of the levels that I was looking for. In fact, we started to reject before we hit that 618 Fibonacci that I was looking for right here. We never got a swing failure pattern of these highs right here. So how did I get into this short trade? This strategy is great because it allows you to find trades even if price is not necessarily at a level. So this morning in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, when I was going over my trading plan for the day, you can see that I made a video where basically I was saying we're not at a level yet. However, if we change market structure right here and we come below this previous low, then we can look for a retracement into the Fibonacci golden pocket if we're getting bearish CVD divergences. Okay, so you can see that we actually did just that, right? We put in a low that was below this previous low, changing market structure, and then we came up into the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, and we did so with bearish CVD divergences. Now, if you don't understand what this means or what exactly I'm doing here, I'm about to explain it to you right now, step by step. For this strategy, the first thing you are going to do is look for a local sign of weakness. What do we mean by that? Well, this is the 1 minute time frame, and we can see right here that along this entire way up, we are making higher highs and higher lows, and price is just moving higher and higher and higher. The first sign of a weakness, the first sign of a potential reversal, is when price starts to change market structure. What I mean by that is price stops making higher highs and higher lows like we were doing here, and price actually starts making now a lower low. Okay, so what you always want to do in a big move to the upside is mark out those lows, right? Mark out the low that we put in right over here. Mark out the low we put in right over here. Mark out the low we put in here. Mark out the low we put in here. Mark out the low we put in right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to wait for price to start to change market structure. So when we break this low, that should be lighting off your, it's time to look for a short senses, right? Those spidey, it's time to look for a short senses. They should be tingling. Why? Because we know that this is the first sign of weakness in a massive uptrend, especially after we get a big pump and price starts to consolidate like this, forming what a lot of people think is going to be a bull flag. What you need to do is mark when price first takes out that low. Once we take out the low, what you are going to do is you're going to come over here to Gone Fibonacci Tools, select the Fibonacci retracement, and you're going to take it from the high to that new lower low. And then what you are going to do is you are going to mark a box in between the 618 and the 786 fib levels. So when I open up my Fibonacci settings, this is what I got going on here, guys. I only have the 618 and the 786. That's all I care about. Why? Because if in fact we are going to change market structure, and this is the first lower low and we're about to put in a lower high, it's very probable, more often than not, that lower high will come in between these two Fibonacci levels. Okay, so we're going to mark that out, and then what we are going to do is we are going to monitor and see what happens when price comes into this area. In order to do that, I have a tool here called coinalyze.net. You're going to go to coinalyze.net, okay, and you are going to go to the chart for the exchange you're trading on. I prefer to always use the ByBit Bitcoin USD pair, no matter what exchange I'm on. Okay, I'm not going to get into why, but I use the ByBit BTC USD perpetual chart, right? What you are then going to do is you are going to mark out this 786, 618 area, and you are going to watch to see if we come into this zone right here, do you see something called a bearish CVD divergence? What is a bearish CVD divergence? A bearish CVD divergence is where price comes into a key level and you see more longs than shorts opening up, and yet the price is unable to make a higher high. All right. What do I mean by that? Well, let's discuss. Okay, let's discuss. When you go to coinalyze.net, the two indicators you're going to turn on is going to be CVD. All right, so search for CVD, cumulative volume delta, turn that on, and then open interest. Open interest. Go ahead and turn that one on. Once you have these two indicators on, what are these telling us right here? Well, the open interest is telling us are trades opening or are trades closing. So if the open interest is getting higher over time, that is telling us that trades are opening. The CVD, what is that telling us? CVD is telling us, are the trades opening long or are they opening short? If open interest is getting higher and the CVD is also getting higher, this is telling us two things. Number one, new trades are opening. Number two, those trades are opening long, right? Because CVD is getting higher, telling us that there are long trades opening. Open interest is increasing, telling us that new trades are actually opening. So this is very important. When you see something like this, where it looks like the CVD is getting higher, you might say to yourself, ooh, new long trades are opening. But look at open interest. Open interest is getting lower over time. It's telling us this is a short squeeze. This move to the upside is not being caused by new longs opening. It's being caused by trades closing out, right? By trades closing out because the open interest is getting lower. But if we see the CVD getting higher and we see the open interest, we can say, now price is getting a move to the upside here because new longs are opening up. Now, if you see, like we see right around this area here, that there are more longs opening up than shorts, as can be seen by the indicators down here, yet price is unable to make a higher high, especially as we come into this golden pocket zone. This means that there's a bigger player at hand here. We'll call him the whale, the market maker, whatever you want to call him, right? Bam, 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 bam. And this whale is actually absorbing the longs that the retail traders are entering into, okay? That's why the price is unable to push up, even though there are more longs than shorts. So you have to think of it as a whale chilling up here with a limit order, and all the retail traders that are thinking we're breaking out of a bull flag, every time they click that long button, that money that they're longing is literally just filling up this giant market maker order here. And once that market maker order is filled, boom, he's going to push the price down. Now, again, we only want to look for this happening at a key area of resistance. And so that's why it's so key when price is pumping like this, that we don't FOMO, that we don't long for no reason, we don't short and try and catch a rising knife, but we go to the drawing board and we make a plan. That's why in the Casper Crew VIP Discord this morning, I was very specifically looking for that thing to happen, right? We were drawing it out in advance, saying, look, if we change market structure here and we put in that first lower low, then we look for that golden pocket retest. That is going to be our entry, right? We don't know when it's going to happen, but it's something that we need to wait for. And then once it does happen, boom, we can enter into the short trade. And by the way, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give the juicy trade setups in advance, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. You can go ahead and click the link to join the VIP Discord. We do multiple live streams a day. We give our levels, our setups. We walk you through the live price action. And it's a great educational group. If you want to become more educated in a thorough course environment, we highly recommend you check out these courses. The White Phoenix Smart Money Approach Trading is our newest course. It's a huge resource, absolutely amazing for anybody new or more experienced. And guys, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and altcoins, I highly recommend you check out my go-to exchange. MEXC, 0% limit order fees, 0.01%. Market order fees, literally the best deal on fees you can find out there. And yes, guys, of course, only sign up to an exchange if you know what you're doing. Links in the pinned comment and the description. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I do pray everybody watching is blessed in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.